Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn off notifications on Instagram. So first, open your Android settings, which resembles a white gear on a colored background, and you'll find settings in the app drawer. Scroll down and tap apps. On a Samsung Galaxy, you may tap application instead. Scroll down and tap Instagram. Then, tap notification. It's near the middle of the page. Then, turn on notifications. If you want to receive notifications from Instagram even while in Do Not Disturb mode, tap the gray thread is priority switch as well. To turn off notifications, tap the blue allow picking switch, then tap the gray block all switch here. Then, tap the back button. It's in the top left corner on the screen, and this will exit the Instagram notifications menu, saving your changes in the process. The other method, open Instagram. If you aren't logged in, enter your email address, phone number, or username. Then, tap your profile icon. It's a person-shaped silhouette in the bottom right corner of the screen. Doing so opens your profile page. If you've ever had more than one Instagram profile signed in at once, this will be your profile picture rather than a silhouette icon. If you're using a browser, you'll see your profile picture in the top right corner of the window. Then tap the three lines. This three-lined menu is in the top right corner of your screen. For a browser, you can skip this step since clicking your profile icon opens a menu. Then, tap Settings. Select Notifications. You'll see this option next to all bell icon near the top of the menu. And select Settings to enable and disable. You can determine which actions in the Instagram app will push notifications to your phone from here. For example, find a notification type, post stories and comments, and tap a notification option from everyone below the type heading. Tap off to disable notifications for the type entirely, and repeat this process for each notifications type. Then tap back. This will exit the notification page and apply your settings. You should now receive notifications for anything that you've enabled in the Instagram apps. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next videos.